Yep, somebody else talk. Okay, so check it out. To finish these, again, whenever you have the triangle like this, the three triangle angle measures, and I'm just going to use X for the question mark, have to add up to equal 180. That's the triangle sum conjecture from the notes. Okay, so the three angles have to add up to 180, and then it's just an equation you need to solve, right? I know these two equal 150, so that means X has to be 30, because 30 plus 150 equals 180, right? Again, there is a faster way to solve this. Just take the 180. I like to show all my steps, but take the 180 and then subtract these two. 20 minus 130. And then what we're left with is the missing angle, right? See how we got 30. So that's number 4. I'm going to go ahead and do number 6 since it's Friday. Again, the three angle measures have to add up. Uh-oh, I missed one. Have to add up to equal 180. They have to. So add these two. X equals. Hey, how come I keep writing these things? Okay. X plus 115 equals 180. And the 115 is 80 plus 35, right? Then again, subtract 180 and 115 to figure out that missing angle. 65. Okay. So again, watch that on the computer or on the calculator. 180 minus the two angles that we know, 35 and 80. Gives us the 65. So here's this one. The three angle measures together add up to equal 180. Okay. Then this time I'm gonna save some writing time. Just take the 180, subtract out the two angles that we know, and we're left with our missing angle. So that one is 30. And that's the triangle angle sum conjecture. That's really 1 through 6. Okay. And the other ones on here, the other ones deal with the exterior angle of a triangle. I'm gonna do 11. I like how 11 looks. Better than 10. 10's actually easier, but I like how 11 looks. So again, the exterior angle theorem tells me the outside angle will equal the sum of the two non-adjacent angles of the triangle. Basically says, like the triangle has three angles, right? Take the one that's not close to the outside angle, or take the two that are not close to the outside angle, add those up, and that'll equal the outside angle. So all we need to do is subtract 29 from both sides, and we'll get that. So let's see, 122 minus 29, 93. So I know x is 93, right? These two angles, if I add them up, equal this outside angle. That's what the exterior angle theorem tells us. So if you look at 10, I'm all over the place with this guy. You look at 10, the outside angle, again, I'm gonna call that x, will equal the sum of these two. Let me see, what's the word? Sum of the two non-adjacent angle measures. So 96 and 60. So I add these, you guys hear my wife? Add those, and we get 156. Okay. So those are the ones we missed earlier. So pause it if you need to copy these. If not, I'm gonna move on. So then the ones on this side, same idea. We have three angle measures. We have three angle measures. If you add them up, it should equal 180. Those are the three angle measures. Okay. So then when you solve these, you want to combine like terms. Add the 45, 80, and the 60. 45, 80, 60. You get 185. Subtract 185 from both sides, and you get -5. -9 minutes. So these two deal with the exterior angle. Now you know they deal with the exterior angle because it has the triangle, and then it has the line hanging off of it. See how this one has the line hanging off of it? Like these two up here don't have no line hanging off of it. So again, like the ones we just did in the other page, the exterior angle will equal, let's cover this up, will equal the two that are not next to it, added up. 37 plus 15x plus 8. Okay. So the measure of the exterior angle of the triangle is equal to the sum of the two non-adjacent angle measures. So then we solve this. We're going to combine the ones that are the same. What is that? 37 plus 8, that's 45. So we still have 24x over here. And then we have 45. And then when you bring down this 15x, right? And then whenever you have x's on both sides of the equation, you choose one to eliminate. Now, most of the times you'll be told choose the one that has the lesser value, which is true. That doesn't always happen. I'm going to eliminate this 15x. To get rid of it, we just use the inverse operation or the opposite operation. Positive 15x minus 15x is 0. If you have 15x and I take away 15x's from you, you're going to have nothing, right? Then that equals 45, and then 25, or 24 minus 15 is 9x. And then finally divide both sides by 9, and you get x equals 5. One more and we'll be done. So 16 and 18, same idea, right? We have the exterior angle, which is 88, and that's going to equal these two added up. Not the one next to it, but the two that are not next to it, non-adjacent. So I'm going to put 7x minus 7, 5x plus 11, and then again, combine like terms. The 7x and the 5x, that's 12x. Minus 7 plus 11. Be careful with that. Some students might mess that up. It's minus 7 plus 11. It's just 4. Okay. And then it's a two-step equation. There's the x. You want to get that by itself. So eliminate plus 4 by subtracting 4. Then you have the 12 divided by 12. X equals 84 divided by 12, 7. Yeah, 7. That's it, G's and G nuts.